So look, if the value of current year output is measured on the basis of base year price is termed as national income at fixed price. And on the contrary, if the value of current year output is measured on the basis of base year की जगह पर इधर current year price हो जाएगा. Current year price is called national income at current price or nominal GDP. So this is the definition, first point. So value of current year output is measured on the basis of base year price is called national income at fixed price. And on the contrary, other hand, if the value of current year output is measured on the basis of current year price is called national income at current price. अब ये तो इकोनॉमिक्स की टर्म्स में बच्चों को कई बार लैंग्वेज क्लियर नहीं होती, तो हम इसको एग्जांपल से प्रूव करते हैं कि इसका एक्चुअल मीनिंग क्या है. सो लुक द एग्जांपल नाउ. है P0, एक टर्म है P1, एक टर्म है Q0 और एक है Q1. सो सपोज करो गुड्स ए का प्राइस, कोई भी एक गुड है, उसका जो P0 था यानी जो बेस ईयर का प्राइस था वो 10 था और करंट ईयर का प्राइस 15 हो गया. ऐसे ही गुड्स बी है जिसका प्राइस था 5, नाउ इट इंक्रीज टू 10. गुड्स सी, इट्स प्राइस वाज 15, नाउ इट इज 20. गुड्स डी, its price was suppose again 10 and it is now 20. Now production, suppose this is 4, 6, 2, 1 and this is 6, 10, 5 and 2. Now very simple format में example मैं आपको clear करने जा रहा हूं. Look at this. I told you right now that if the value of current year output 6, very good, this is Q1 is current year output, clear, and Q1
Yes,
Q1 multiply by base year price which is this one
10.
P0. So we are multiplying Q1 and P0. So Q1 6 and P0 10. So 6 into 10 60. Now 10 into 5 50. Likewise 15 5s are 75. 10 2s are 20.
20.
Now likewise if we estimate, अब now the sum of this, इसका पूरा total कर लेंगे. So this total, like suppose this is 5 and this one is 205. So this is national income at fixed price. National income at fixed price. Now on the other hand, suppose if I calculate current year output is again Q1 on the
Q1.
basis of current year price P1. So again now multiply this one, 15 को 6 से इंटू करो, कितना हुआ 90, 10 10 जा 100, again 100 and 20 22 ja 40. Now the sum of these, it is 330. So this 330 will be called as national income at current price. National income at current price. So I hope that you can well now the distinguish between what is national income at fixed price and what is national income at current price. Clear? Q0 की कोई वैल्यू नहीं है क्योंकि नॉर्मल Q0 कोई यूज नहीं है बिकॉज जो Q0 की हमारी जो डेफिनेशन है वो नहीं मांग रही है, हमको बोल रहा है करंट ईयर का आउटपुट चाहिए. If you look at the definition again, this was a definition when the value of current year output is measured on the basis of base year. आउटपुट तो हमको करंट ईयर का ही लेना है. क्लियर? आउटपुट करंट ईयर का लेना है. This was the sum of P0 and Q1. This was the sigma, sorry, it is the sigma. Again now this one, sigma of what? P1 and Q1. So look in the both the cases, again the quantity is the same of current year, but price is changing. Here price want base year price, here we want current year price. अब सपोज मेरी आज की जो मेरी फीस है, स्कूल की फीस सपोज करो आपकी 2000 है, ये करंट ईयर की प्राइस. लास्ट ईयर आपकी फीस सपोज करो 1900 थी, तो बेस ईयर की प्राइस मानी जाएगी. सो यहां पर अब मुझे ये बताइए कि इन दोनों में से, रियल और नॉमिनल में से, विच इज अ बेटर इंडिकेटर फॉर. अभी आपने देखा इसका आंसर कितना आया था हमारा टोटल, इसका था 205 और 330, इसका 205 था, इसका आंसर है 330. नाउ if I want to increase 205, so how this value can increase? Now look at this example again. Now tell me how this 205 can be increased. Is there any option to increase this one? What you can do? Suppose you are living in 2020, and how this can be increased? Do you have any guess how this can be increased?
सर वो प्रोडक्शन बढ़ा के.
Absolutely right, because this current year production can be increased, because you can't change P0. Can you change P0?
No sir.
Because it's a base year price. It's a base year price. You can't change history, but you can change your current. So here, if we increase 6 to 10, suppose this 6 value I increase to 10, so now the value can be changed. So the answer can also be changed. So the conclusion is this: this value, or you can say real GDP, can be increased only by increase in output. Real GDP can be increased only by increase in output. Clear? So now tell me again here, I want to increase this 330. Now what options you have to increase this one? What you can do? Tell me. No option?
Yes, sir.
You have two options to increase this. So what are these two options? Look closely. Second question hai, now nominal GDP can be increased by increase in both. दोनों में ही इंक्रीज आप कर लें तो चेंज हो सकता है, आइदर इंक्रीज इन P1 or increase in Q1. So नॉमिनल जीडीपी कैन बी इंक्रीज बाय बोथ, या तो आप करंट ईयर का प्राइस चेंज कर लो और करंट ईयर का आउटपुट चेंज कर लो, बट द रियल जीडीपी कैन ओनली बी इंक्रीज व्हेन द आउटपुट ऑफ current year changes. So the main point regarding this is, you can now put the third point. Third point is, which one is the better indicator? Which one is better indicator for the growth? So real GDP is a better indicator. Real GDP is better indicator of growth. If you want to have to know about what the growth of the nation, then you must have real GDP, and this is not a better indicator, as this can be increased only if the price increases. So what is better for the economy, to increase price or to increase output? What can be
Sir, to
better?
increase.
Sir, increase right.
To increase output. So
Yes.
only the output can be increased. In that case will be known as better indicator for the growth of the economy. So this is the example. Now take the screenshot of both the cases. First of all, take the screenshot of this one. Now take the screenshot of example. So now very important concept I have completed right now. Now on the basis of this, here are the two more formula regarding this. Now look. First, the formula of price index. Price index. Price index measure can be measured by nominal GDP upon real GDP into 100. So if we want to have the price index means how much change there is in the price in the current year with reference to base year. So suppose अभी आपने देखा होगा कि महंगाई बोलते हैं, महंगाई बढ़ रही है, इन्फ्लेशन बढ़ रहा है, तो that means कि how much price have been changed in the current year on the reference with the base year. So nominal GDP upon real GDP into 100 is called price index. So can you calculate price index with this example? So yes, you also can calculate. So the nominal GDP is, what is GDP? Nominal GDP 330, and
30.
so this is nominal, and real GDP 205
205.
into
205.
100. So अब जो भी
100.
आपका आंसर आएगा उस आंसर के बेस पर आप ये कहेंगे कि how much change in the, how change has take place. Suppose it is 330 divided by 205 multiplied by 100. So it's a 160. 160.97, and it is represented in percentage. So what does this indicate? So this indicate that price increased by 60.97%. So अब इसका मीनिंग जो हमारे प्राइस हैं वो बेस ईयर के कंपेयर में करंट ईयर में कितना प्राइस इंक्रीज हो गया, 60.97, और आप अप्रोक्सीमेटली 61% मेंशन कर सकते हैं. सो आपकी जो प्राइस राइज है ये प्राइस इंडेक्स मेजर करता है कि हाउ मच प्राइस हैज इंक्रीज्ड in the current year with reference to base year. So here 61% price increased in the current year. This is the concept of price index. So price index is the ratio which tells how much price has increased in the current year with reference to base year. So it's a measurement of the inflation in the economy. Clear? So take the screenshot again, because I have completed the topic also price index.